Hi there. So, I've got a few different things to show you today, so why don't we just get on with it? Yes, it will.
Where's the screw?
Use that thing.
That? An Allen key?
No, use the thing next to it.
That?
It doesn't matter about it being a screw or not. They're all screw heads there.
There's a drill bit.
It doesn't matter, just drill it.
How am I meant to drill it?
Just drill it open.
We should have. There might be one in the sewing box.
Right.
Hit it with something hard.
No, I don't want to have it. I wonder what it's actually got in it.
Probably just a big lump of metal.
Is that there?
I've seen potatoes that record better films than this. What? Well, I fuck.
That's a flathead. They're pliers. That's a junior hacksaw. That's small. No, it's not.
Small enough.
There's a hammer in here somewhere.
You actually tidy up, you just make it more of a mess. Yeah, I've got one. Look at the real screws.
Yeah, they're probably fake.
Just painted on.
Smash it.
Apparently it's indestructible.
That's what you get with cheap knockoffs.
Not even a lens.
It's meant to be Sony, but it's
Where's
tech.
the bin?
It had fake
Get
stickers
the bin
on
out.
it.
Get the bin.
Oh, that's the tech sticker. There was a Sony sticker over it. I just want to see if there's just a tiny circuit board and like a weight.
Watch your eyes.
This was offered to my mother by some shady man in a dark alleyway as Sony, but not Sony. Oh wow, there's a bit more to it than actually just a little circuit board and a weight.
I think there is a weight in it.
Looks like two circuit
Yeah,
boards.
it looks like there is a weight in it.
Really? That would not surprise me at all. Is that it? The big sort of brownie thing?
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
Oh. It's so that it feels like it's, you know, you're paying good money for it. Well, I don't think we're ever going to use this ever again. I'm guessing that's the weight there. Doesn't really look like a vital component to me.
It's lying in the porch.
It's actually just some metal.
Oh, look at that. That was what made the camera feel like it was worth 50 quid.
Some metal.
Feel that. That's really quite heavy.
Possibly a balance weight, so it's...
Hilarious.
Probably not. Let me feel that. That doesn't feel out of balance. It just feels incredibly light.
There you go. Oh.
Don't put it on anything in case it's magnetic. Or being magnetised. A big hole, gaping hole. And that is the insides of what now looks like R2-D2's girlfriend after a rough night. Hello! Hi Jack! We're filming for Jack's music video, aren't we?
It's not a music video.
Well, whatever it is.
It's a visual representation of a music video.
And then, yeah, so, hold on. Hello! I can't. Hello!
Alright.
I'm wearing Jack's sunglasses because I'm cool. and then there's lovely scenery. Well, now I can't see because I've turned the viewfinder around. Lovely scenery. Got some trees. Yeah. The lovely part of Stoke-on-Trent. What's this? Oh, we got some trails that we can walk around. That's
as if they've done this.
They've properly put signs on it. I haven't been here in so long.
There's kids there, Lewis.
See, this is.
Stop filming when there's kids around.
I'm not filming kids. Look at that's the pool and the trees. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? Now we can edit it. Do you want you in as well?
Yeah. Get a couple of shots of Mount Coppin as well.
Like the castle.
If you can, I'll just say like shot. Try and get the scenery on the right here.
Do it. So yes, I hope you enjoyed all of those, well, both of those fun little things. I've had a bit of trouble recently with my computer. For the past week it's been in at the repair shop, so that's not always good, hence why this video is a little short and snippety, because I'm very busy at the moment. So yes, to wrap things up quickly, basically it's time to announce the winner of the competition of free things. Basically, we've only had 2 entries for the competition, so basically in future there will be no more competitions, no more free things, no more giveaways, nothing like that, because clearly it's a waste of my time and money. We do have winners for that who have already been contacted, so congratulations to you guys. So yes, I hope you enjoy your free t-shirts and whatnot. Obviously, you know, you've been told about it, so well done on winning. And basically, yeah, that's it. I'm off to go make the London 2012 Paralympic Games, so see you in a bit.